Welcome to an overview of DataViewer. The Geoportal tools have been upgraded to work with multiple browsers on any mobile, tablet and desktop device with a new touch-sensitive interface. We recommend using Chrome for all Geoportal applications. As well as Chrome, applications are designed to work with Edge, Firefox, Safari and Internet Explorer. DataViewer provides secure cloud-based business data query and reporting capabilities for Geoportal and for custom business applications. DataViewer can present business data from most major database technologies like SQL Server and Oracle. DataViewer can be launched in two ways, either directly from an icon on your Geoportal homepage or from within GeoViewer after identifying a feature and clicking on a related Data Report Geoportal link. The user interface and functionality available to you will depend on the size of the display, your Geoportal user account role, and if you are using a desktop or mobile environment. Clients are assigned roles when they are provided access to the DataViewer application. The first thing to note is that some functions are not available for the mobile environment. There are three different roles available: User, Editor, and Administrator. DataViewer 2020 has introduced the concept of a user with access only to limited view or run functionality. The majority of current DataViewer users will have what are now described as editor capabilities. All functions are equal in their capabilities for both an editor and an administrator. The difference between the two roles' capabilities is that an editor can only manage their own reports and queries, while the administrator can manage all of them. Any changes the administrator makes is visible and accessible to all users who have access to those data. The interface has three areas: the top bar, the Databases pane on the left side, and the Datasets pane on the right. The top bar shows, in its top left area, three tabs for managing the display, consisting of Both. This shows both databases and datasets. This is the default mode for desktop environments. Databases. This only shows the database connections, associated datasets, associated queries and reports. The user's account settings determine what DB connections they are allowed to see. And finally, datasets. This either displays the currently selected dataset, which often has links to the map and to related information, or it displays the results of a query or report. The Databases pane uses the three-level hierarchy of database connections, associated datasets from that database connection, and associated queries and reports created by the system administrator or by you. The blue and brown colours differentiate between items that were registered by the system administrator in blue and by you in brown. The Datasets pane on the right shows the following. Along the top there is a light blue bar, the folder banner, which displays the name of the current dataset, the current page number, the current record count, and on the far right there is also a paging function to help with large datasets, and a dataset menu icon to bring up a menu with specific dataset functions. In the left pane, the plus icon to the left of a database connection is used for exploring the hierarchy within the Databases pane. Once datasets are revealed, the plus changes to a minus, and when the required database, dataset query or report is found, clicking on the name will highlight the background in light blue. Selecting a dataset will display all the records for that database view. Selecting a query will display the query specifications form that lets you specify values and operators for parameters and generate a result based on those specified parameters. Selecting a report will run that report and display the results in the right-hand frame. DataViewer provides functions based on the pane you are in and the device you are using. If using a mouse, right-click on the selected database connection, dataset, query or report name in the database pane, and a context menu with functions will appear. This is not available in the mobile environment. Right-click on the selected dataset name in the dataset banner, and this menu will appear. You can also click or press the ellipsis icon on the far right of the folder banner, and a menu will appear at the bottom of your display for both mobile and desktop environments. Right-clicking on the column name or header and a menu with column functions will appear. In the mobile environment, tap and hold the column name or header to display the column context menu, which will appear at the bottom of your display. Clicking on a row or record within a dataset will make a form appear with all the field contents displayed in vertical or column format. The dataset spreadsheet records often link to related information. When a dataset has related information, Geoportal links, then on the left side of the spreadsheet you will see this icon that enables access to all registered links. Clicking on the related information icon will display a list of related information links in a new form. Related information might be an associated map, document, a web page or site, or a report from a connected business system or web service. There are three link types. One's for GeoViewer. If you click the icon, then GeoViewer will launch in a new window and zoom in on the map feature associated with the record. In other words, use this to map the record. There are DataViewer links. If you click the icon, then a DataViewer window will launch and display the associated record. This allows you to go from one dataset to another and see the related details. Finally, there are generic links. If you click the generic link icon, it will open a new window and display any related information, for example photos or reports, associated with the selected record. Links can also be accessed for all records within the current dataset. If using a mouse, click on the ellipsis to the far right of the blue dataset banner. A slide-up menu will appear at the bottom of your screen. Select Geoportal links and the available links for all records in the current dataset will be displayed in a form. Right-clicking on the dataset panel will bring up a context menu with the same menu options. Further information is available in the support section of your Geoportal, where additional videos are available as well as online help for DataViewer and the other Geoportal applications.